Good morning, guys. Today we talk about a SCM ME35 edge bender machine. In only 3 meters of length, the ME35 include all option needs for a perfect result in finishing and performance. We can set up all unit from the PLC control panel positioned on the front of the machine, which allow an easy selection of the all main function. Among them, the operating unit switching on and off simple and intuitive. We can select the combine and cutting and rounding unit, pre-milling, buffer and grooving unit as option. We turn on the motor and switch on the feed track made of pad coated with high friction rubber fixed on the 3/4 industrial chain. The glue unit with a new innovative system of self-lubrication of the glue pot allow a more extensive use of the edge bending without the necessity of lubrication. Combine and cutting and rounding unit all in one. It cuts and rounds the edge in a single pass at the end of the panel. Inline trimming unit with high frequency motor. Edge scraping unit for the finishing of a 2 mm PVC ABS edge. And brushing unit with 2 independent motor for the cleaning and polishing of the edge. Now let's set the group of the 0.4 mm edge. The adjustments are simple. We position the edge in the loading unit in front of the guillotine for the edge cutting and hold the device for the height of the tape. We adjust the position of the pressing roller and cutting unit and top and bottom trimming unit. For setting the 0.4 mm edge, we disengage the scraper because it's not needed and we are ready to start our working process. As you can see, we need just a minute. We can close the door and we are ready to run the machine. Good job, guys. Now we can start the motor with just a touch. Set up the pressure bar at the panel thick, turning the knob. Switch on the feed belt track system and we are ready for our working process. Minimax ME35 runs at 7 meters a minute with a new combine and cutting and rounding unit with rigid structure designed for a perfect finish. Now the rounding process is available for all workshops. ME35 comes in 3 different models with several compositions possible to satisfy all working needs. Options available are pre-milling unit, complete with 2 diamond tools, each cutter block with 80 mm diameter. It allows a very good panel finish and linearity during the pre-machining. It's possible to carry vertical adjustment of the tools to use them up to the hand. Anti-adhesive unit. It prevents the glue sticking to the upper and lower panel surface. Device for panel edge heating, positioned before the gluing unit to warm the panel for a better glue sticking. The device is particularly useful in case of cold working environment. Kit for glue pot rapid substitution, which it includes the rapid locking and unlocking device and the double thermoregulation system to manage 2 different working temperatures for the polyurethane glue. Spare glue pot is available as option. Glue scraper unit for a better finish without compromise and a special scoring unit for glue's execution on the upper side of the panel. SCM Minimax ME35 is the right answer for the company that wants a professional edge banding in a small footprint without compromise and with a small investment. Please contact SCM Group UK today to book a demonstration and see how we can assist you in improving your production. Minimax ME35.